Hi, in this video, we will look at ImageKit's latest native app for Mac and Windows for its digital asset management system and see how it can simplify your workflows as a graphic designer while creating assets or as a marketer while publishing assets on different platforms. Now, ImageKit's DAM is a complete centralized solution that helps you upload, manage, share, and collaborate on digital assets with internal and external collaborators, agencies, and photographers. It has a browser-based interface by default where you can easily upload assets, browse through them, perform searches to find exactly what you need, and then download the files in just a few clicks. You can then use these files in a tool like Photoshop or, for example, publish new product images on Shopify. While it is designed to be user-friendly and powerful in itself, it can be a bit tiring to switch between the application you're using, like Photoshop or the Shopify platform, and the browser where ImageKit tab is opened to search for files, then to download every file you need to work with before you can actually get started. And that is why we wanted to go a step further, introducing a native DAM app for Mac and Windows. These apps bring the full capabilities of our DAM system right to your desktop, making it even more accessible and integrated into your daily workflow. Let's take a look at the DAM app in action. As you can see, it mirrors the same familiar interface from the browser, but now it's right at your fingertips on your desktop, ready to use at any moment. Whether you need to browse your entire asset library or quickly find a specific file, you can do that directly from the app. No more jumping between the windows that slow down your workflow. You can type in your search query and the app pulls up the relevant files. It's fast, efficient, and saves you a lot of valuable time. Now let's consider a scenario where you are a designer working on Photoshop. You need to find and use a specific asset for your design project. In the browser, you would first have to download and then use the asset in Photoshop. But with the DAM app installed, you can just drag and drop the asset directly from the app into Photoshop and use it like a regular image layer over there. Once you are ready to export the asset or multiple assets that you are working on, you can export them like you always do in Photoshop, and then just drag them back to the DAM app to upload them to the central repository where they can be shared with other collaborators on your team. Again, no need to go back to the browser to do the same. This seamless integration means you can keep your creative flow uninterrupted, focusing more on designing and less on managing and searching files. Next, let's take a look at an example for an email marketer. Let's say you want to use the banner that the designer exported for an email campaign in Hubspot. You can find the banner in the DAM app, and instead of downloading the banner from the browser and then uploading to HubSpot, you can simply drag it from the DAM app directly into your HubSpot email. This saves you time. You do not have to scroll through past downloads on your system to find the right banner that needs to be sent out, and keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. For those managing e-commerce platforms, publishing product images on Shopify can be a tedious task. Let's see how the DAM app simplifies this. With this app, you can search for the product image and drag them directly into Shopify. And not just images, you can also drag videos in the same way to upload them to any platform that you're working on. Our mission at ImageKit is to make your workflow as efficient and hassle-free as possible. With the ImageKit DAM app, managing your digital assets has never been easier. You can experience the convenience of the DAM app for yourself. Visit our documentation to learn more. And if you want to give it a try, sign up for ImageKit and start using the digital asset management system today.